Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can add weather to the lock screen of your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under this video and write your comments after watching. So friends, let's get into this topic. First of all, you will need to swipe your iPhone screen from top to bottom left side. This will take you to the notification screen. Then you'll need to tap and hold on an empty field on the screen. After which, near the theme at the bottom, select Edit and select Lock Screen. This will take you to the widgets and lock screen settings. Next, click on Add Widget. And here, friends, you will need to scroll down and find the weather. Click on it. And as you can see here, there are several options on how the weather widget can look like on your iPhone. Swipe to the side and choose the option that suits you best. After that, click on this widget. As you can see, it appears immediately on the lock screen. To save such changes, click here to close the widgets. At the top, click Ready. Next, when you tap Ready, you will go back to your screensavers. Now click on it again and swipe up. As you can see, now the weather widget has been added to the lock screen on iPhone. Friends, with this simple method you can add weather to your iPhone lock screen. Hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please don't forget to put your likes, be sure to write your comments and also subscribe to this channel. Take care.